Good morning. I am Navin Yadav from Suraj School. We are learning topic conservation of plants and animals. Okay. We will learn about many points in this chapter. Like example about national park, wildlife sanctuaries, biosphere reserve, flora, fauna, biodiversity, etc. Deforestation. So now we are learning about some species of animals. Like there are mainly three terms that we have to learn. That is, first one is endemic species. What is endemic species? Endemic species is the species of some plant or animal. It is species of a plant or species of a plant or animal. It is a species of plant or animal that found in a particular area only. Okay. So endemic species is found in particular area. For example, panda. In whole world, panda is mainly found at the Indo-Tibet China border. Okay. In that border only, panda is mainly found. Okay. That is their natural home or natural habitat of the panda. Rest of the world, we do not have panda do not live in the rest of the world. So that a particular area is for panda. This type of species are called endemic species. There are many species of plants or animals that found only in a particular area. These type of species are called endemic species. They need to be protected because they found in a particular area. If we destroy that species in that area, the species get extinct. Okay, so it is important to save these species. Next is extinct species. Extinct species are those species which get extinct, which means that no living body of that species currently live on earth. For example, dinosaur, they got extinct. Hope you understand that with the example that extinct species are those species which get extinct. That means they currently not live on the earth. Okay, there all the animals of that species get died. Okay, they get extinct. Example, dinosaurs, mammal, okay, dodo. These are the example of extinct species. Next is endangered species. Endangered species. Endangered species are those species which can be extinct if we do not pay attention. Okay, if we do not pay attention to these species, they get extinct. Means the number of living bodies of these animals are less in number. For example, tiger is a endangered species because the number of tiger reduced to 900 only. That means in all of the world, the number of tiger is only 900. So they come into endangered species. After getting to know this point, we protect them. Okay, the protection of tiger, we start tiger project tiger. Okay, and the number of tiger get increased by this. Now the number of tiger is more, but it get reduced to 900. Okay, so this is a endangered species. So endangered species are those species which are less in number. Okay, so endemic species mainly found in a particular area. Extinct species are get extinct, means they are not currently living. They are, all the living bodies of that are dead. And endangered species are those species they are in danger of getting extinct. Okay, so what we have to learn about this point, that means we have to save extinct endangered and endemic species, otherwise they get extinct. Okay, So what is a branch of United Nations? What it do? It make a book. It publish a book that is known as Red Data book. It is a Red Data book. It produces a Red Data book. But produce a Red Data book. This book tell us about the endangered species. It have different level, critically endangered, endangered. It have different levels and divide the species in different levels. And what they do, government of that particular area do some work to protect these species. It contain all the species of endangered species of or endemic species of plant or animals. Okay. So, what is the best way to save animals? What is the best way to save animals? The best way to save animals is to provide them a safe home. Okay. So, the thing that we can make to the forest. If these animal species of animals have safe home, they can be protected. For example, tiger is endangered because of human activity. Okay, so to save forest, we have to do many things like recycling of papers, cutting down of less and less trees. Okay, afforestation, that is planting of more and more trees, etc. By doing some points, we can save forest, and when we save forest, animals or wildlife are also get saved. Hope you understand this chapter. Thank you.